500,000 jobs gone by 2026. Not prediction. Reality. Goldman Sachs data confirms it. Right now, AI is replacing workers at scale. Number 1. Claude and ChatGPT own customer service. 74% of support roles at risk. Major corporations already deployed them. Savings, massive. Number 2. Design tools like Midjourney are decimating junior designers. 63% fewer hires in 2025. Studios cutting entire departments. Payroll shrinking. Number 3. Coding assistants replaced 47,000 developers last year. GitHub Copilot runs half of new code now. Your skill set matters less daily. Number 4. Data analysts face extinction. ChatGPT does what took 12 analysts before. One tool, same output. Number 5. Marketing writers vanished. Jasper and Copy.ai generating campaigns overnight. Agencies laying off content teams. This hits your paycheck directly. Your job exists on borrowed time. Upskill now or become obsolete. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.